Some people like it here. Some people put it out here. Some put it on top. Some turn it to the side, right through the body lines. This is entirely up to you and your good or bad taste. For this project, I'm going to put it right here in the middle, centered up under the latch. That way it'll be nice and symmetrical. We'll go ahead and measure it out and make our cut lines. Then cut down the line using a cutoff wheel. Now, check the fit of the box. This is the time to make any adjustments if you need to. Then cut off the excess metal. Now you're ready to weld the box in place, and once again, take your time. Go slow. Space your welds out, keeping them short. This will keep warping and distortion to a minimum. Once the welding is done, get out the grinder and go to work. Since you're grinding on a corner, be careful not to take off too much and change the shape. If you do this, you're going to have to weld more metal back on or make up for it with body filler. Well, there it is, a Frenched license plate that looks like it came from the factory this way, and once again, no body filler is going to be needed. And everybody's going to wonder where you got your custom tailgate. Now, as you saw, this is not that difficult if you take your time. Now, after the break, exhaust tips through the body. Stay with us. Welcome back. If you're just getting here, well, that is a shame because you have missed some really cool stuff. Because today's show is all about body modifications and working metal. Now, we've already showed you how to shave door handles and fill holes. Then, we showed you how to French a license plate into a tailgate. Now we're going to show you a modification that is extremely popular, pretty easy to do, and makes an incredible difference in the look of your truck. And that is how to bring an exhaust tip out through the body or a roll pan. The piece that I'm going to be working on is this reproduction bedside from Goodmark Industries, and the reason this modification is so good on a truck is that it keeps your exhaust tips from hanging down below the body, which can be a problem on a lowered vehicle. Okay, now you need to decide what kind of tips you're going to use. You got a lot of choices out there, a lot of different styles. On this particular project, I'm going to use these big polished stainless steel oval-shaped guys from Corsa Performance because they are huge and they're going to look really cool. Now with that decided, now you need to figure out where these tips are going to stick through the body. And right here in front of the rear tire, down low on the fender, is the perfect place because it's going to be subtle, but it's still going to look mean. Much better than hanging down here below.